Hi everyone, Rainy here. I just started finally putting fiberglass on the boat. I got a few layers on and ran into some problems, but let me show you what I did so far. It's kind of sunny, but let's see what you can see here. I was able to get a piece going right across the stem and on the side all the way to the back, and I got the complete top or bottom of the boat up to here. Okay, and you can see I was able to get that all the way over here. Worked out pretty well, and I did the transom a few days ago, so I still have to do this side and a second layer on everything. Like I said, I ran into some problems doing the boat. Things I wish I'd known before I started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you all these things to help you so you don't run into them. I'm calling them the 10 commandments of fiberglassing your boat. So let me get my tablet that I chiseled everything into. Here's the 10 commandments. Number 1, have enough epoxy before you start to be able to do the job. Okay, I got the top and the other side like I showed you, and I ran out of epoxy. I actually started to do this side here, but I didn't have enough, so I had to take it off. Okay, which is such a shame. Number 2, have plenty of paper towels, especially if you wear glasses like me. Okay, have paper towels, because when you start sweating, which a lot of people do, and it gets into your glasses, it's really tough to get them off or to clean them, and you end up doing the job without your glasses, and then you realize, oh boy, did I miss those spots. Number 3, get a drill stirrer. They're wonderful. What's that? Right here. It's a drill. Actually, I have the old junky drill. I'm going to try to stir this, but I don't want stuff to go everywhere. See? There's stuff on it. It goes pretty fast, but I don't want to send epoxy flying everywhere right now, because it'll probably hit the lens of my camera. Okay, commandment number 4, don't bend. If you have your hands filled with epoxy and everything, don't bend down to take a drink from your straw. Because I had my hands full, I reached down and went, and it went in my sinuses, and oh boy, I almost went like this. So, take your coffee before. Number 5, don't keep pulling on a fiberglass string. If it doesn't come off, cut it. Otherwise, you're going to unravel your whole boat. Let's see. Number 6, the edge of your roller, your bubble roller. Do you use those? See this bubble roller here? The edge works great. So as you're rolling, just take the edge, and it works great to get rid of bubbles. You know, if you have an air bubble underneath, you're trying to roll it, it doesn't come out. I take this and I kind of grind it on, and it's almost like hitting it with a needle. It busts it a little bit, or at least lets it wedge out. That way I don't have to go get 2 different things to bust the bubbles. Commandment number 7. This is one of the biggies. Go to the bathroom before you start the job. Enough said. All right, commandment number 8. Cover the floor with plastic and tape it. And you'll see I did that. I covered it all with plastic. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it. I can't see down there. But cover it with plastic and tape it so you don't trip. You're moving back and forth. You're trying to hurry. You don't want to trip between a couple pieces of plastic. So I taped it down. Number 9. Watch out for epoxy puddles. Yes, I have to take my shoes off before I go in the house now, because epoxy's dripping, especially on these steep sides on the floor, and of course you step in it, and everywhere you go it sticks. I'm glad I have plastic in here, but I'm going to take my shoes off before I go in the house. And number 10, it dries a lot faster than you expect it. Okay, so have everything ready. Have your fiberglass cloth cut out in advance. Have all your rollers, your spreaders, your everything ready. Your gloves, so you don't have to go looking for things. And again, you don't have to go someplace else to the bathroom. Get everything ready, everything prepared because it's going to dry a lot faster. By the time I started to put the sides on, the bottom was already starting to be dry. I mean, not just tacky, but dry. I was surprised. So that's what I learned. There's my 10 commandments. The Panga's coming along. I'm going to have to wait probably a couple more weeks before I can do anything. If I need 2 or 3, probably 3 more gallons. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my update, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye now.